Hey tech lovers, today we're diving into the ultimate showdown OnePlus 13 vs iPhone 17. Which one takes the crown? Let's break it down. Starting with the display, the OnePlus 13 boasts a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1440x3168 pixels, while the iPhone 17 features a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display with 1200 XDR display with 1200x2600 pixels. When it comes to cameras, the OnePlus 13 packs a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, while the iPhone 17 also has a triple camera, but with a 48.8MP main sensor. Performance-wise, both phones are powerhouses. The OnePlus 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, while the iPhone 17 runs on Apple's 17 Bionic chip. Battery life is crucial, and the OnePlus 13 wins here with a 6000 mAh battery compared to the iPhone 17's 4190 mAh battery. Design-wise, it's a close call. The OnePlus 13 has a sleeker look with its 8.5mm thickness, while the iPhone 17 is slightly heavier at 213 grams. So, which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns.